Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with what matters: a verified Upstox account and access to the developer area. First, log into Upstox with your registered mobile and complete OTP authentication. Once logged in, open the developer console from the main menu. This is where API credentials live. If you haven't created an app yet, click Create New App and supply app name, redirect URL, and permissions. Make sure to set scopes for orders and market data, so your key will have required access. Once in My Apps, select the specific application you created. You'll see fields labeled API Key and API Secret. If blank, click Generate to produce them. The API secret often shows only once. Copy it immediately and store it in a secure vault or encrypted notes. Also confirm the redirect URL matches your application. Mismatches block authentication. If you need a production key after testing, promote the app as instructed and complete any additional compliance steps to unlock higher rate limits and to use the key, run the OAuth authorization. Direct the user to the Upstox auth URL, receive the auth code at your redirect URL, then exchange that code for an access token using your API key and secret. Once done, store the access token securely and refresh when needed. If something breaks, first verify redirect URL and app permissions, then confirm system clock sync and rerun the flow. If the secret is exposed, regenerate it immediately and update all integrations to prevent unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.